So finally got myself the Goan Classic 350 and for that I had to be in Goa. I'm going to take this for a spin, let you guys know how this is. I'm going to hook up my action camera and see how it goes. Okay, so before I start riding, I thought I'll show you guys the color options and also a little bit of walk around. This is the teal green, some call it aqua blue also, and comes with orange colored wheels, yes, and you can clearly see the white wall. This is not a texture, this is actually embedded in the tires, so they have actually got this manufactured. Cross spokes, tubeless, the most attractive thing which everyone's loving it because Royal Enfield never launched this and it's the first time. So, and obviously now they are also available on the Himalayan. You can see that how beautiful the fender looks when it's single seater, right? And yes, there is a grab bar to put the bike on the stand. There is a foot peg for the pillion because obviously you can add that as an option so that the pillion can also accommodate and sit on it. It's a little bit like a floating thing because that's the bobber feel. Here's a nice gap here. This maroon one also gets the wheels coated in that same color with the white wall. That's the feature of the Goan Classic. It should stand out and speak out Goan Classic. Back then, people used to actually customize their motorcycles, like their classics or their bullets, with these apes. And now Royal Enfield decided, let's give them this bike so that they can just come in the store and buy it. This is the pillion seat comfort of pillion testing. I can't right now, but I'll be testing this for sure. Comes with a badging called Goan Classic 350. Yeah, old school way, nothing changed here. Everything remains the same on this bike. Well, the headlight and everything remains same as the Classic 350, even the shocks, but the tires are now tubeless as I mentioned. The biggest difference is this, the tall handlebars. Some call it the mini apes, but this is a good range where the rider actually sits till that level. I'll show you all. Wow man, actually this is damn comfortable, yeah. Perfect, yeah, my elbows are exactly where I want them. So this is really cool. The clutch feels lighter. Now let's ride this, man. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have got my favorite color and going for a spin on this. Lock and key looks the usual, but seriously, sitting on this bike, grabbing these handlebars feels quite like it's an easy cruise. I think this is a great bike just by sitting on it. Let's see how it rides. I'm anyways a fan of classics. Gears look smooth, clutch is smoother. I mean the clutch lever feels lighter, not bad. A thumb being there. And let's go. Okay, let's talk about the वाह यार सिटिंग पोजीशन तो बहुत ही अपराइट है और ये हैंडल बार बहुत ही सही जगह पे है. Honestly speaking, if I wanted a spare bike, I would have definitely taken this. Engine feels the same, so there's no difference. I wanted to check the shocks. यार ऐसे shocks मेरे Super Meter 650 पे होते हैं. I would have really enjoyed. That seat cushion is perfect at the tail end. Sorry guys, I'm not wearing gear because I'm just riding inside, not taking this on the highway. गोवा के रोड्स पे ही चलाने का इसका मज़ा है because you know when you come to Goa you are actually like this. However, I am wearing riding boots. Trip machine. Okay. Yep, so the feel is same of the Classic 350. The power, the torque coming in, the thump, everything remains the same, but much easier to ride this. So if you are considering a Classic 350 and you are thinking to give it a cool feel with tubeless tires, cross-spoked, not exactly cross-spoked, well laid for tubeless, and but सही में ये handlebar बहुत difference पड़ता है. I'm sure a lot of people will be modifying their current classics with this handlebar. Feels good. Shocks are decent compared from Super Meteor. So I'm on a 1500 kilometer ride on my Super Meteor 650.
So I thought, why not try the Goan Classic? Looks really nice. गोवा के लिए सही बनी है बाइक, पता है. टॉर्क इज़ वॉट यू नीड, विच रॉयल एनफील्ड इज़ नोन फॉर. Overtaking speeds are decent. Clutch is lighter, but this handlebar and the seat planning, it's really cool. मौत का कुआं हटा दिया गया है जो मोटोवर्स पे यहाँ लगाया गया था. Turning this bike, damn easy. Front brakes are nice, rear brakes are also good. ये मतलब बीच पे लेके गए गोवा पे, यू नो, पुट योर लेदर बैग्स अराउंड. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक बॉबर है तो वेयर डू देयर लगेज सोल्यूशन. यू कैन डू दैट, यू हैव टू प्लान दैट वे. यार बम्स पे तो अच्छे से जा रही है, इतना बुरी नहीं है जितनी मेरी सुपर मीटियोर झटकार देती है. सो प्रीटी गुड. Moving this bike around is easier. I don't know why it's feeling lighter than the 350. It's definitely got to do with this handlebar and the kind of seats they have planned for this bike. I like that it keeps my elbow free. It keeps my elbow free, but it's still well stretched, so I can really turn this bike well. Does not feel heavy. I think any kid who had a dream to ride a Royal Enfield, when he'll ride this bike, he'll not feel this bike is that heavy. Let's skip the bad roads. पावर थ्रो उतना ही है जो क्लासिक 350 में होता है, विच इज़ डिसेंट सिंगल सिलेंडर. बट दिस मूव ऑफ डूइंग ट्यूबलेस टायर्स इज़ वेरी गुड. दे वांट टू कीप इट ओनली फॉर गोवन क्लासिक to, you know, have that image that Goan Classic is the only bike which gets these tires. Or maybe they would not keep it white wall for others. Now white wall tires were very famous in the 70s and the 80s for all the vintage and classic cars, but these are not mods, these are really there. The tires are made for this bike to have this. So I think this is a really cool bike. If someone wants, see the thumb, man, this is what I love about Royal Enfield Classics. Yeah, this feel is just fantastic, man. Top gear, smooth flow, throttle, leave it, throttle, leave it. You get that vibe, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful lake around, perfect motorcycle for Goa. Wow, feels so good riding this bike here. Oh, it really turns well on the bends, which is decent. You know, such bikes don't make you go so aggressive on turns, so you are a responsible rider. Unless you are a typical hooligan, that's a different story. There the thumb comes in. I'm sure you guys can't hear the thumb well because I'm using the internal mic, but trust me, man, what I can feel that gut firing like a bullet. So cool. Aftermarket will be good, but would avoid that. It feels so good riding this bike, man. Seriously, I think all Royal Enfields need good open roads. Himalayan can have the badass broken roads, no worries, but it needs, man. Yeah, this is now a smile on my face because I love to go full throttle mode. It's fun. Good braking, decent, on point. The new brake pads and the braking system has really improved in all Royal Enfields, I must say that, including Himalayan, including Super Meteor 650. Super Meteor 650 I keep changing it in around 4,000-5,000 kilometers, which is a little early, but then fair enough, that bike is designed that way. Let's turn this. See, damn easy to turn, man. Actually, you don't feel this bike is heavy. That's the best part. I loved it. This is the Yacht Bay. Exploring Goa on this bike is fun. Yeah, coming back to that, some will like it, some won't. So this is why Royal Enfield decided that let's give them with mods. Feels like a bobber, acts like a bobber, rides like a bobber. Flows well in the corners and everything. I'm sure that's why it's named Goan Classic. Alright boys, I think it's time to return this motorcycle. I had a good time with it. See, it's damn easy to move the bike around. That's the best part. I don't know, the way they've cut the seat area and everything, it looks really cool what they've done. So it's very easy, like I can flat foot. Okay, by the way guys, height test, I'm 5'8", both flat foot, in fact with knee bends. तो ये बहुत सही है और ground clearance decent है compared to my Super Meteor 60 which is parked right there, which I have come to Goa on. And yeah, let's put this bike back. So in a nutshell, a short spin for you guys to know. Slope चढ़ा रहे हैं. Not bad. इधर लगा देता हूँ आपका, फिर खराब नहीं होएगा. Oh, side stand is a little bit inside. Nice. So overall, this was my experience on this bike, but it's really cool. And yeah, the pipe, I really like that it's like a straight gun pipe, which is so damn neat. And yeah, this is what I want to talk about: the seat the most, which was attractive, tires attractive, handlebar attractive. The whole flow of this bike is good. Yep, now I know. Check this, see the difference. High quality seats. Is the rear the same? Yep. Oh man, they have used a very different foam. Mark my words. Ride this bike, you will know it better. Over and out.
So this was my experience about the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350. I was the owner of Classic 350 and I had to ride this with these mini apes or whatever you call them. So fun bike, enjoyed it in Goa, try it out, comment down. How do you like this motorcycle? And as usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj. Signing off from Goa, see you in Mumbai soon.